It doesn't matter whether you have a computer science degree in hand or not. Neither does it matter whether you have programming experience behind your back or not. When it comes to getting a job in data science domain, all that matters is whether you have got the skills. It's true that for many aspirants back in the day, acquiring data science skills was only possible with master's and PhD degrees. Considering the fact that data science need mastery over 4 different things such as statistics, programming, machine learning and business acumen. But what if I tell you that now you can attain this feat and become a data scientist within a year? What if I tell you that you don't necessarily need a master's background to become a data scientist today? Well guys, bear with me till the end of this video and I'll answer how you can make the above 2 things happen. With this video, I'll provide you with the success mantra, the roadmap that will help you become a data scientist all by yourself. But before we begin, make sure to enable both the subscribe button and bell icon for the Intellipaat YouTube channel. Now, first of all, let's discuss why you should consider a career in data science. When it comes to choosing a career domain, you need answers to 3 questions. Does the domain have high demand right now? And will it be relevant in the coming years? Number 2, are there better job prospects available? Number 3, are the salaries lucrative enough? Okay, let's try to break all these 3 questions one by one. First of all, let's talk about question 1 and 2. Right now, if you just go over to the Google search and search for data science jobs available, you'll get to know that on just the LinkedIn job board, there are 7 lakh plus jobs available. If you consider the other job boards, the number of data science jobs available might be even more substantial. Now, that's one thing. Consider this as well. In the last 2 years, 400,000 employees have been laid off by IT companies. And according to the Economic Times report, almost every job was impacted by these layoffs. Some were impacted severely, whereas some faced a less backlash. But consider this, 27% of laid off employees were from an HR background. 22.1% were from software development background, whereas just single-digit amount of people were from data science backgrounds. What that means is AI did not harm the data science jobs at all. Also, since both AI and data science go hand in hand, there are predictions that both these job roles together will produce 80 million jobs by the end of decade ahead. What that means is for data science, both the present and future is quite bright. What about salaries, you may ask? Well, let me tell you that data science salaries are one of the highest in the IT industry. Even the junior data scientist earns an average pay between 7 lakh rupees to 19 lakh rupees in India and $92,000 to $200,000 in the USA. You can see that data science as a career clears all the checkboxes that we set out in the beginning. Hence, definitely data science is a great career option you can go for. Now, having said that, let's move forward and discuss how you can become an employable data scientist all by yourself. Basically, to make it happen, you have to be very strategic about what you learn and how you learn it. After doing a thorough consultation with data science trainers and industry experts associated with us at Intellipaat, we have formulated a roadmap that not only will provide you with the necessary skills, but also will prepare you for data science interviews at top companies. So ideally, the very first thing you need to do is go through the concepts of statistics. See, the term data science itself suggests that you'll be dealing with a lot of numbers. If you lack the fundamental math knowledge, doing so will become very difficult. Even if you were to carry out a simple analysis, let's say you want to know if YouTube changes the color of the subscribe button to green, what will happen? In that case, statistics will be important for you to understand the noise in data, to understand what parameters is critical for captured data. Even the basic concept or fundamental ideology behind machine learning like neural network is born out of mathematics. That's why we want you to dedicate a month and a half to revising critical mathematical concepts for data science. See, if you have done engineering and 10+2, you'll already be acquainted with ideas like probability, normal distribution, charts and graphs, etc. All you need to do is revise those concepts and learn few more critical concepts such as mean, variance, bias, Bayes theorem, sampling, hypothesis testing, standard and normal distribution, t-test, etc. To help you do that, we have created a free statistics for data science course. You can just search for the free Intellipaat statistics for data science course over Google and you'll come across this course page. I'll also be dropping it in the description below as well. See, you don't have to become a mathematician here. You just need to understand enough of math to learn and understand the data science concepts. Once you have done that, it's time we get started with the next dependency, that is learning the programming language. For data science, primarily there are two languages to choose from. First one is R programming and second one is Python programming. I would prefer learning Python since it is large-scale programming language and it doesn't just stop at data science. Again, you don't have to become a Python developer. You just need to learn enough of Python programming to be able to do data science course. Here is the list of concepts you'll have to master. For this task, you can dedicate 2.5 months. Getting acquainted with programming language is not going to be as difficult as it might seem to you right now. Once you get started, you'll realize that you have got it. Next up, you need to go through the libraries such as Numpy, Pandas, Seaborn and Matplotlib. Basically, you'll be doing the exploratory data analysis as the first task in any data science process. Hence, exploring these very basic libraries is a must. Learn to create the data frames and NumPy arrays, how to carry out the mathematical operations on them, and learn about different Pandas and NumPy functions. Also explore the different charts available in Seaborn and Matplotlib. Understand what each chart resembles. Basically, comprehend the language of charts and graphs. You can spend 15 days doing this particular activity. Once you have understood how to use these libraries, it's time you grasp the SQL basics and art of exploratory data analysis. Learning SQL is very important because without it, you'll not be able to interact with data systems and gauge the data that you need. Tasks like wrangling are done with SQL itself, so try to gather the fundamentals of SQL and databases. You can dedicate one complete month to learning and practicing with SQL. Also, since we have already dedicated the time to learn statistics and 4 Python libraries, mastering the EDA will not be a difficult task. Basically, you'll discover how to load data, clean it, figure out descriptive statistics and analyze the important attributes, etc. I would recommend you guys to go over the Kaggle, explore many notebooks and figure out how people understand the data. Then try to analyze different sorts of data sets on your own. We can spend 1 month practicing different datasets on Kaggle every day. Doing this activity will give you a boost in confidence as well as help you understand why you did what you did till the point. Next up, you have to take on machine learning algorithms. This is the area where most of the data science aspirants or beginners give up. They try to learn the workings of machine learning algorithms and their logic, but don't comprehend how to apply these algorithms to data and when. They fail to understand a problem in mathematical format and propose a solution using logical reasoning and machine learning algorithms. This is the challenge we need to address at any cost. So what I would recommend is you should learn machine learning algorithms with a hands-on approach. Let's say you understand a certain ML algorithm after watching a video on YouTube, then you need to go onto Kaggle and go through the sample exploratory notebooks based on the very same algorithm. Take pen and paper and jot down what you understood about the exploration. Learn about feature selection techniques, how fine-tuning can be achieved, etc. Keep on doing the Kaggle notebook exploration until you gain a knack for picking patterns in dataset. To do this, we would recommend you spend 3 to 4 months. Once you have a deep understanding of machine learning, walk the extra mile and learn about deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, etc. For this, you can dedicate an extra 3 months. By fulfilling step 6, you'll acquire all the beginner level data science skills that can get you a job. Although it would take 9.5 months to do so, the efforts will definitely pay off. Next, you'll need to work on building your portfolio as a data scientist. You need to have some good projects under your belt. You can get them done by participating in Kaggle competitions and showing off your skills to the world. Not only will this help you build some awesome projects, but it will also provide you with awards and employment opportunities as well. Mention the projects and competitions you have participated in over to your LinkedIn profile. You can spend 2.5 months working on projects and building your LinkedIn presence. If you follow all these 7 steps and dedicate 7 to 8 hours of learning time every week, you'll be able to master data science for sure. I know that keeping track of what we have covered might come as a challenge. So we have prepared a year-long slow-paced study plan for all of you guys. The link is available in the description. Visit it and get started on the data science learning journey. I hope you guys are clear with the data science roadmap. Remember guys, learning skill takes time. There is no shortcut. And if someone commits that it is possible within a shorter duration, please don't follow along. Give time and prepare well, and you'll become the best professional that every company out there is looking for. If you have liked what we covered in this video, make sure to press that thumbs up button. Do subscribe to the Intellipaat YouTube channel and stay tuned with us for more updates. Goodbye and see you in the next one.